been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand. It's hard.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a focaccia. It's an Italian bread-like recipe. It's not keto, so my family have requested some focaccia bread and I will make it from scratch, and I hope that you enjoy watching me make it. So what you're going to need is 3 teaspoons of yeast with some warm water, 3 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of salt and some dried oregano, and some extra flour for when you're kneading, and basically water and oil. So first of all, I'm going to add the oil, and you can just wing this. I usually put about, say, 1/3 cup of oil, just like you can see. The yeast has activated, so I'm just going to give that a stir and then add that to the mixture. Well, there you have it, everybody, on a very cold end of the winter's day. I've made a focaccia for my family. I hope they enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed watching me make it, even though it's not ketogenic. But for all those non-keto people, this is a recipe for you. So on that note, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up and click that notification bell. I've come back from the gym. I want to relax now with a cup of coffee, so I'll check you all later. Bye for now.